Okay, I think that. So you go and see that, which is your program. I go to learning. Yeah, then go to program. I search for that program. Open that program. Okay. Okay, and now in the agenda you will see this information. Okay, enter a title for each section. So first section, let's say, I said new employee. Under this section, I want to add a lot of details, so I will add text, I will add items, I will add, any. Oh, they say you can enter each text link or happening. Oh, so can hash. Oh, actually can have HTML. Okay, yeah, why we are doing it? Because we are creating a program which is a month-long detail, okay, and that is different every day, every week, that is different. Okay, so it's just like an opening text to tell us what to expect. Okay, why? Because every day is different, every week is different, so I have to define key. Now the new section, okay, to the company website. Okay. So when I add instructor, let me scroll to the next class. So you must add a class. Why? Because in class we add our instructor. Isn't it? That's what we saw in the class management. Yeah, we have just to add in a class here, right? Okay, got it. You create a class and add a class here. Okay, makes sense. So when you create a class, you add the instructor, and when you add the class, automatically, all these people will be a part of this program. Open and type program. It is sufficient to add the item and perhaps let our users choose which specific class they wish to enroll in. Why is it 365 learning history credit? Whole year. That means it takes a whole year to learn this. Well, whatever you can provide it to. Okay. Now, if I want, I can create a new class, as we saw, in order to add new classes. I'll click on it. We don't need to create a new class, but I can just pick and choose whatever class. Otherwise, if you want to, in this program you want to create a new class. You can. Okay. Because we will be encouraged to create a class. And so we still go to find the item. Then we create a class under the item still. I mean, this gives you all the options you already have. You add it. You don't. You just go and create one, okay. And just search for a local online item. So I click on search to locate the item that we want. Okay. Can you explain this little bit? What is this learning history credit? What does this learning history credit for? Okay. I have a program for a month-long program. Okay. I said in total, you have to complete 1,000 points in order to cover that onboarding program. Okay. Okay now, but these onboarding programs are divided into several sections. Section first is for first week introduction. And when you complete your introduction, you will get to 50 points or credit. You complete second week, you get 250, third 250, fourth 250. And in order to get passing mark, you can say that, okay, you have completed this program. You have to complete at least 75%, okay. So that learning credit is up to us. How many days for that? That depends. I mean how you define it. Credit means, how much have you completed? How much are you getting credit for it? I mean 10-hour-long program. If somebody says, even if you have attended 4 hours, you will be marked as completed. And there are some training people to know you have to complete at least 8 hours out of 10 hours in order to complete it. So these are the credits you get. Okay. Thank you. You go to a sport when you were in college, school sports, you had different credits. For sports classes or activities. And in subject, you had different credit. Just like that. You were given a different credit for that. Okay. So this is how you manage your program. Okay. Okay.